Hey guys, today I'm going to be fitting a potting shed. It's 16 foot by 6 foot, it's a good old size, and I've got to fit it on some pretty unlevel ground, so I'm just trying to level off the ground now. So take a look at this. So as you can see, I'm starting to just try to pack up the ground. It's almost a brick out at the back. So I'm going to run these runners down and try and get some kind of level on it. There we go guys, one more project in the bag. It's been an interesting little build, even though it is quite a large potting shed. I'm sure that me and my family will end up putting it to a lot of use because I went with the extra mile. Didn't really need to get one that big, but I just figured, why not? You know, you can never have enough storage outside, and whether it's 20 spades, 14 forks and 19 trowels, lucky if you can ever find one or two of them. So thanks for watching, and don't forget, give me the old subscribe and a thumbs up. Cheers guys, bye bye.